David, one day we'll run out of those dog videos, but until then, we're going to keep showing them.
Yeah, that's for sure.
No
You
shame.
know something. Hey, but you know something? We're talking about January, and you know January in Portland and in Bangor is going to be the warmest ever.
Wow.
And we're talking about the cold, really cold temperatures that are going to be arriving by the end of the week. So.
Yeah.
Extremes.
Yeah, one extreme to the other.
It really is, really is. I don't know, would you call a warm January the dog day of winter? I don't know. I don't know. I'm a meteorologist. I'm supposed to say bad jokes. Sorry about that. Temperature right now in Caribou is 5 degrees. Millinocket -2 degrees. Calais at 7 degrees. Bar Harbor at 11. Wiscasset 16. Down over to Portland, it's 17 degrees. Freiburg at 12 degrees. And down across southern portions of York County right now, we're in the upper teens. So it's cold, but not as cold as it is out in central and northern Canada. These temperatures, -31 in Churchill over to Hudson Bay, those cold temperatures are going to be moving into our area by Friday night. Thursday night we have an Arctic cold front that will be moving through. That's going to bring these extreme cold temperatures. So we definitely want to be prepared for that. It's banked up in Canada. It's locked and loaded and ready to move south. Right now, high pressure is over New England and low pressure to our south. That should stay to the south. May give a couple of snow showers to southern New England. But we did see this little ribbon of snow flurry activity. I'm not seeing any ground truth right now, but it wouldn't surprise me if you saw a couple of flurries down across southern New York County into southern portions of New Hampshire. But right now the air is so dry, we have dew points below zero, so it's really tough to get that snow to fall to the ground. So I think most of that is up in the sky. So overnight tonight, few clouds, southern areas, and again, maybe a snow flurry by tomorrow morning. Look at the temperatures right now. We're dropping into the below zero, about 10 to 11 degrees below zero from Millinocket over to Caribou, and even down east will be around 1 degrees in Bar Harbor by tomorrow morning. Portland 11 degrees, Sanford at 10 degrees. Very cold temperatures in the morning, but tomorrow will still be very cold. Temperatures mostly in the lower to mid 20s along the coastline, teens to the north by the afternoon. We'll see some clouds and some sun in the morning into the afternoon, a few breaks of sunshine. By the way, we actually gained an hour of sunshine just about across much of the state since the solstice. So that's some good news. We're heading in the right direction in terms of more sunlight. By tomorrow night, temperatures dropping back into the teens, single digits north, and we'll do it all over again tomorrow night with temperatures dropping back below zero, northern portions of the state, and then again back into the single digits on Wednesday night into Thursday. Thursday's not going to look too bad. We have a warm, I shouldn't say warm front, a cold front, an Arctic cold front that will be moving through the Great Lakes. That's going to move towards the southeast. So Thursday's not looking too bad, like I was going to say. Temperatures in the lower 30s. But by Thursday night, this cold front barrels through the area, and with an Arctic front, sometimes we end up seeing some convective snow squalls, and I think with this one, we're probably going to be seeing that anywhere between 9 p.m. northern portions of the state through about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning as you go towards southern portions of the state. The timing of that is to be determined, but we'll hone in on that tomorrow morning once we get the models a little bit more in sync with what's going to happen, the timing of that cold air. But something to watch out for, because if you get caught one of those snow squalls, sometimes they're just zero visibility with gusty winds and produce blizzard conditions almost instantly. So something that we'll keep an eye on. Saturday, just a frigid day in the morning. Temperatures are going to be just miserably cold. Saturday morning, look at these low temperatures. These are temperatures. -13 Portland, -15 Bar Harbor. Look at Millinocket, -26, Caribou -28. You get where we're going here. -22 in Freiburg. Compound that with the wind chill factors. Look at these wind chill factors. -30 to 40, 50 to below, even 60 below possible by Saturday morning. I mean, that is just dangerously cold weather, folks. You definitely need to stay in. If you got to go outside, you definitely need to layer up. So I can't emphasize how dangerous cold this is going to be. So just trying to prepare you right before it happens. Good news is it only lasts for one day. Low temperatures tonight, by the way, single digits to around 10 south, below zero towards the north. Here's your marine forecast, 2 to 3 foot seas tomorrow. Small craft advisory goes through late tonight. So that's how things are looking right now across the ocean. But yeah, here's a 7-day forecast. And you know what? It doesn't really stay cold that long, but that extreme cold is definitely going to make its mark. We'll be talking about that for a while. But look at Sunday. We could have some snow flurries. Temperatures jump back into the 30s. So it's just, it's a quick hitter Friday and Saturday. And then by next week, we're back into the 30s and above average.
Still long
What'd you
enough to
expect?
definitely pay attention to, though.
Definitely have to pay attention. Watch out for your pipes. The wind could get into cellars and everything like that and, freeze things up. So we got to watch out for that.
All right. Thanks, David.
Thank you.